Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Thatho Mogapi. The purpose of this assignment is to critically evaluate the strategic and non-strategic decision-making processes of Toyota Motor Company, analyzing its appetite and maturity towards risk by coming up with strategies that could be used to ensure the company's sustainability. That was the introduction. The company overview. Toyota Company is one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world, and it was founded by Kiichiro Toyoda. It is a multinational company that produces cars, buses, and robots with its headquarters in Toyota City in Japan. Toyota is currently the largest car manufacturer in Asia, the second largest producer. The automobile segment is engaged in the design, manufacturing, and sales of car products, including passenger cars, minivans, as well as related parts and accessories. Then I'll go on to the mission and vision of the company. The mission of Toyota is to deliver outstanding automotive products and services to their customers and to enrich their community, partners, and environment. The vision is that Toyota will lead the way to the future of mobility, enriching lives around the world with the safest and most responsible ways of moving people. It will also, through its commitment to quality, constantly innovation, and respect for the planet, aim to succeed expectation and rewarded with a smile. Problems faced by Toyota Motor Company. The case of the Lexus accident. According to Fang 2010, Toyota's leading position has changed since the end of 2009. A highly publicized fatal accident of a Lexus ES350 happening on August 2009 killed 4 passengers of a family inside the car in the United States. This led to the company being sued and leading to a lot of bad publicity. If a big, well company which is respected faces such problems, the company name is dragged in the mud, and it wastes a lot of time, energy, and money to get itself in good times. Press releases have to be made, compensation also have to be made. Bad press about a company leads to losses because sales are slowed down and profits are not easily made. Then I'll go on to the SWOT analysis of the company. Toyota's main competitive advantage is that it aims at producing green vehicles at all times. Being environmentally cautious is a way of giving back to the company because, in a way, sustainability of the environment is being taken into consideration. The fluctuation of fuel prices around the world becomes a challenge to Toyota because the higher the price of the fuel, the lower the sales of vehicles, as people will run away from buying cars of high quality like Toyota, but to buy those who are said to consume fuel at a low price which are of low quality. There are other well-known motor companies in the world, for example the Nissan Motor Company, which places a major competition to Toyota. The only way for Toyota to continue succeeding is by always finding a way to penetrate in the market and having a unique and better way of doing things. According to Shanahan 2011, defining the product very well, having a good competitive advantage, creating a customer database, and communicating well with customers is always a good way of sustaining a company and ensuring growth. Then I will go on to the strategic and non-strategic decisions made by Toyota. Toyota has made a strategic decision to be committed to J.D. Edwards as an enterprise system, as stated in the Toyota Invest for Future Success by an unknown author. This kind of strategy is called a strategic alliance. This is whereby two or more parties, in the case companies, get into an agreement to pursue a set of aims and objectives together but still remain independent companies. This strategic alliance will benefit Toyota very well. The benefits include there's a lot of technology transfers, the channel of distribution may become easier, the manufacturing capability will be improved, there will be shared expenses as well as risks. They will benefit a lot from economies of scale. Even though this might be seen as a strategic decision, it can also be a disadvantage because it might lead to disputes. There are also cultural difficulties. There's high level of commitment and partners are overwhelmed. Another strategic decision that Toyota has taken is adapting to a Kaizen strategy. Fenn states that Toyota Motor Company has adapted to Kaizen strategy as one of its strategic decisions. This strategy simply ensures that there is a continuous improvement of the company, which leads to changes in the business, quality, cost of delivery of products, and it means that there is a greater level of customer satisfaction and business growth. It also helps by involving employees in looking at the environment to bring about change. It results in improved morale as people begin to find work easier and more enjoyable. The Kaizen strategy will also help develop intelligent responses towards challenges which are faced by the Toyota company. For example, the challenge of accident causations due to cases of product quality. The recommendations. The Toyota Motor Company can use the cost leadership strategy as its own competitive strategy. This strategy clearly states that management will try by all means to be a low-cost producer by giving quality which will be appreciated by its customers. It is the best competitive strategy because it reduces costs, thus leading to profit making while the rest of the competition suffers. Then I'll go on to the conclusions. In conclusion, Toyota is a big company with big ambitions that it usually achieves. The strategies and non-strategic decisions that it makes in the end benefit the company, and if it finds a way to make it, and if it doesn't, it finds a way to make it. Toyota has a potential of continuing to grow and supplying the world with quality cars, buses, and other vehicles in the world. These are the references from the study. Thank you.